I'm 10 years old, and it is 2 days before Christmas, and I get to unbox one of my Christmas presents. I am just so super excited because I really don't know what it is, like low-key. And it says, because of them we can. It has all these little characters on it, and I am just like so super excited about this. Like, okay. I'm really not trying to mess up the paper, but you know. Oh my gosh. Oh my. I used to get little boxes, but they had like books in them. Okay. Because of them, we can box just for kids. This is what's on the box. And it's like box after box, it feels like. Oh my gosh. And this little magazine. Oh, and they have these little stickers. And my favorite thing in the world, a journal. It says because of them we can on it. And it's a planner. I think it's for 2019. Hold on, wait, let me make sure. Yeah. So I got this nice little planner. Oh my gosh. It's the best Christmas gift I could have ever had, like low key. Okay. I can close it. And there's a calendar. Oh, isn't this the cutest? And there's a medal. Oh my goodness. This is the best present. I don't think anybody could top this, low key. It says because of them we can. Just like the rest of it. Let's put the box aside and see what other things are in here. So this is like a little newspaper. I remember my dad telling me about newspapers, like how they have like this activity section. So in this newspaper, it's all the activity. The whole newspaper is the activity section. It says dream journey entry. Tell us what you are going to do to achieve your dreams this year. 365 days of awesome. And then a quiz. And then it says, meet our little trailblazers. Sorry. And it has all these characters. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wait. So there was this. And it's like, it's a note from the founder, Coretta Scott King. You know, like the one in the history books. It says, I'm excited about you having this because of them. We can box for kids. I hope that the lesson about great black leaders integrate or rekindle the greatness that's in you. My parents, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. and Coretta Scott King, were great leaders who commented on making our community better. Continue to inspire people throughout the world. In his most famous speech, I have a dream. My father said, I have a dream that my 4 little children will one day live in a national where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by by the content of their character. This wasn't just his dream for children, including me. Love, justice, and peace were actually parts of my father's dream. So that's not all of it, but it's the gist. I did not know this. So this is basically for like a lot of young black kids. Okay, just want to look at the calendar because this looks super cool. I needed a new one anyway because I only had one for 2018. There we go. So this is, like the because we can, and then, well, this is all, and it shows like every person that's on the back, and it looks like there's like a little quote. Okay. So, yeah. So the first one is just like, the first one is like a picture on the front, it says colony chapters. Believe in something even if it means sacrificing everything. Yeah, there's so many more. I'm glad I got this for Christmas. Wow. The planner, everything. But what I like most is the middle. It'll fit. I don't get... Yeah. Okay. Well, I think that's it. Oh, and it says January 2018 Milk Unbox. Here's what's inside. So it tells you everything that's inside. This, the medal, the activity sheet, this, the label pin is right here. Like, no, this is a sticker sheet. It might be still in the box, but the label pin, yeah, see, because we can. The label pin, the activity sheet, the calendar, stickers, a special gift for your parents, the BOTWC planner. So this is for the parents, but I'm just gonna keep this for myself. Yeah, so I think that's it. I would get this for my children. When I have children, I would get this for mine because this is worth your while. Well, thank you for watching my unboxing video, and have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you so much for watching my video. This box is Black Excellence, and they deliver monthly. So I've already asked my aunt if I could subscribe. She said yes, and we have a discount code if you guys would like to subscribe. And remember, it's because of them we can. They deliver monthly. And you know what? Have a Merry Christmas and Happy